Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about why WordPress is such an excellent platform for taking donations if you're a non-profit or association. It is fantastic. I'll be going through all the things that you need to know and making some key recommendations on the best plugins that will help you take donations on your WordPress website. Got a load of knowledge in this area. We've helped loads of associations and non-profits get set up and get the results that they're looking for. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So why is WordPress such an excellent platform if you're looking to take donations? Well, basically, it's keeping more of those donations for the cause, for the association. There are a few SaaS platforms out there. They're very large, but they tend to charge a lot more in fees than what you could obtain by utilizing a WordPress plugin. You will have a wider selection of companies that you can utilize as your gateway provider. When you're taking money online, you always need a gateway provider. With utilizing WordPress, you can go to a list, as long as that list is supported by the plugin, and negotiate the best rate. When you're on a SaaS platform, a lot of them, you can't do that. They only provide one provider. And that's a problem, folks, because you need to keep as much of that money possible to do the great things that the non-profit does, basically. Also, ownership, digital authority, ownership authority. You only get the maximum control over your website if you're utilizing something like WordPress. Also, the ability to add additional, really important additional functionality and not be in a closed garden like what you will find with a SaaS platform. So there really are some strong reasons why WordPress is the leading choice in this particular area, and I would highly advise you to look at it. What are some of the key plugins that really are focused in helping you take donations? Well, there's basically two. There's quite a few, and I've gone into this in a lot more depth on an article I've written, and you'll find the link to that in the show notes, plus a load of other links around special offers and education material that you might find useful. But the two leading, one of the leading ones is Give WP. That's a very powerful plugin. It's got a lot of gateway integrations and other integrations with other third-party WordPress plugins that you're probably going to want. Very established team. You won't go wrong with Give WP. I think there's a better solution out there, but it is a quality solution, and I don't think you're going to have too many problems. It is a bit expensive compared to some of the other solutions. The one that I recommend is Paymatic. It is also feature rich, and it also integrates with a lot of gateway providers that you've got to use to take donations, unless you're going direct using PayPal. I wouldn't recommend that. PayPal's a terrible company, and they're offering better deals to non-profits, but I definitely would not get into bed with those people. But Paymatic, funny enough, even though it's feature rich, And I would say it's not as featured rich as Give WP, but it's almost very close. But the real reason, one of the other reasons why I strongly recommend it, and we strongly recommend it at WP-Tonic, is it integrates really easily with two really important additional plugins. One is called Fluent CRM and another one is called Fluent Forms. You need forms on your WordPress website. Fluent Forms Pro is tremendously powerful and rock solid. And you're going to want to do marketing automation at a price that's attractive. Now, Fluent CRM is very like ActiveCampaign and some of the other top professional email marketing platforms. You do need an email sending engine, but you can, if you're in the medium, let's say below 50,000 emails a month, you can use something like Fluent SendGrid, and that's one of our partners at WP-Tonic. But if you're looking at hundreds of thousands of email, you can link Fluent CRM with Amazon Web Services, and that's a great combination. You get the interface and the ability to build really sophisticated marketing automatizations, but you get the cost savings of Amazon Web Services. So it's a tremendously powerful. These two plugins really fit in with Paymatic because they're all made by the same company. So they really work closely together, and they're of such importance to what you're probably going to want to do as a non-profit or association. I would highly recommend that plugin to look at. I'm going to end the video now. Like I say, I've written a really very detailed article. You'll find the link in the video description that goes into all the solutions out there. They've all got strengths and weaknesses. I've just touched on a couple of the leading ones and all the prices. And if you want a consultation with me, you can go to the WP-Tonic website and book a free consultation with me, and we can discuss what your requirements are, and we can see if we can help you out. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm making more of these videos every week. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.